Hey guys, my Grove Collaborative arrived today, and this is earth-friendly brands that you love at affordable prices. You get everything from cleaning, pet bath, even makeup. They offer ingredient transparency, prioritize plant-based formulas, and it's 100% cruelty-free. It's $20 annually, and if you spend $29, it's free shipping. Sustainable packaging, made with plants, natural fragrances, and they minimize plastic packaging. Earth-friendly brands you love, affordable prices, and sustainable shipping as well. It's a subscription, but it can be canceled at any time. You get a 3-month trial before you decide if you want to pay the $20 for the annual cost. So I'm purchasing products that I'm going to buy anyway at great prices, household cleaners and such. You just put what you want in your cart, choose the date that you're going to get the billing, and then at that time they're going to charge you for those items monthly. But again, you can cancel at any time. Such a selection. They have cleaning supplies, home and pantry, personal care, wellness, pet supplies, laundry, storage, beauty, first aid, and so much more. Now this time I did pay $45.54, which was a little bit more than I did last time with a lot less product, but that was because I'm trying 2 products that do cost a little bit more. And the annual charge is right after you receive your 3rd box. And please use the link in the description if interested, because I will get a $10 credit towards my next purchase if you sign up. So on to my box. Here we go. All right, so we're moving beyond plastic, and we love you, Joan, a handwritten note. How cool is that? So here's some flyers. You know how they put in there for you to sign up to, food or, whatever the advertisement is. And there's my products. And honestly, I didn't even remember what I ordered, but I'm happy that I got this stuff. It costs a little more, but next month I think I'm going to go with like garbage bags and stuff like that. But this one here is called BABO Botanicals. It's a eucalyptus remedy plant-based shampoo, bubble bath, and wash. You get vapors of eucalyptus, rosemary, and peppermint. Comfort and nourish skin and body. And you know I'm all about that. So this is dermatologist tested, allergy tested, hypoallergenic, gluten-free, no icky chemicals, paraben or phthalate free, soy and dairy free, and vegan. All right, so lovely ingredients. Let's see if we can smell this. Oh, okay, it looks like it has a safety seal and is $17.99. All right, so on to the next. I picked up something for the kitties. This is an OxyFresh dental care water additive, no brushing, just add to water. How cool does that sound? It freshens breath, cleans teeth, fights tartar, and fast acting. And hopefully this is okay with the pets. It has a secret blend of oxygen and zinc acetate, effectively eliminates bad pet breath and helps reduce plaque and tartar formation. It cleans teeth, freshens breath, tasteless and odorless. It's great for dogs and cats. Not that my kitties have bad breath, but I just think it's a cool idea. You're going to help they keep their teeth clean. So in 8 ounces, you're going to put in 1/4 of a teaspoon. And this is an 8 fluid ounce container. Oh yeah, so that'll last a long time. And it is $11.99. So on to the toilet paper. Now this is something I'm definitely keeping in my order every month. This is $9.99 and it's ultra mega rolls. There's 8 rolls, but it compares to 40 regular rolls. It is soft, strong, it's a sustainable, no additive dyes, inks, or scents. It's a plush 3-ply, and it's 100% sustainably grown bamboo, pesticide-free, plastic-free. It is stronger than recycled paper, made from pesticide-free, panda-friendly bamboo, septic-friendly, and it's 100% plastic-free, which I think I already said. I'm reading the package. And I can definitely testify that this is something that I'm using. This is my 2nd month getting it, and I still have boxes from the other one, but I got tons last time. So it's a really good toilet paper for $9.99. Not a bad deal at all. So these are some of the basics that all of us use every month, and they're decent prices, and it's delivered to your front door. So I think this is a really good deal. These are some of the items I'm considering putting in my basket. And again, you just put the stuff in your cart, choose the date, and then they're just going to bill you and ship the items that you have in your cart every month. And you can, of course, change that every month as well. So these are my items this month, and don't be afraid of the $45 I spent, because I didn't need to do that. To get the free shipping, you just need to spend $29, and there's a lot you can get for $29. That eucalyptus bubble bath just sounds so good to me, even though it's $17.99. I had to try it. I used to shop Avon for their bubble baths, and then they were out of them. They discontinued the one I liked or something like that. So I just haven't gone there in a long time. So I'm excited to have that. Next month, I'm going back to the basics as I showed you with just the things that you're going to buy when you go to the store, and they're delivered right to your door. So you can't beat that. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next.